Thank you so much again for tuning in to another video. Today we're doing a tour of the Family Harbor Oceanview category staterooms. This is room 4360. This cabin, along with all Family Harbor cabins, are located on deck 4, next to the Family Harbor Lounge, which is one of the selling points to this room. This room is designed to hold a maximum of 3 guests, and you'll find lots of space and space-saving measures inside as well. One of the great features of this room are the raised beds. The beds are high so you can fit your luggage underneath. In addition to that, you'll see the seat there by the window has additional storage where you'll find pillows and blankets. I thought the lighting fixtures near the bed were great. Each sleeping area has one, and it comes with a USB charger. Out of the ships I've been on lately, this had one of the best mini fridges. I really liked the bathrooms. They were compact and modern, and the room steward did a great job refilling everything. The showers on board were great. Having the glass door is a great upgrade from curtains. I highly recommend this category to families. If you notice, right here is the kids club, so you can check your kids in right around the corner from your room. It makes it convenient to drop them off and pick them up at the very end of the day. You also have access to this lounge here. This is the Family Harbor Lounge. It's stocked with video games, they play movies there, and there's snacks throughout the day, which make especially port days where you just want to grab food real quick and head off the ship. Instead of going up to the Lido, you can just come here with the family. It makes life so much easier. Ironically, I saw a lot of adults enjoying this area, even more so than the kids. Thank you so much for tuning in to another video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. If you enjoyed the content, please like and subscribe. Wishing everyone great and safe travels.